What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and have I got some news for you. Most of you guys are probably quite excited to hear these news. I know there's some of you that have been waiting for a long time, and yes, the big walk is back. We've been finalizing the final itineraries for 2023. So for those of you who are thinking, but what exactly is the Big Walk? Let me explain. The Big Walk was born as a promotional video to showcase our island and what we do as a business. So the idea was that we would go out hiking and filming to show you how beautiful Madeira can be. This eventually got to a point where it started becoming a multi-day, all-inclusive hiking trip from east to west of Madeira. And here we are now, ready to tell you a little bit about 2023. So let me show you real quick what is the first big news for the Big Walk in 2023. So follow me, let's go.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Let me introduce you to Track Hostel. I've been following the evolution of this hostel in the last couple of months on Instagram. I've been super excited to be here, and very happy to be including them in one of the packages in the Big Walk for 2023. And it's brand new, and they've done some really good attention to detail. It's all the small details that make everything so much more interesting. With us at Hit the Road, and I see big similarities here at On Track, but that's not my favorite reason why we're choosing this place. Mostly it's because of how spacious it is. This is a fantastic hostel, guys. If you guys are coming out to Madeira and you're looking for an affordable place to stay, then this place offers bunk beds. There are also private rooms. There's huge communal spaces, communal kitchen, communal living room. There's a bar, there's a barbecue area, there's a bus stop outside. There's a very good restaurant that we filmed at Zarkos, just around the corner. So it is a little bit further up from Funchal, which means it's nice and quiet, and it kind of gives us that vibe of being in a special kind of communal place, which I love. This year will be our biggest big walk ever. When I say this year, I mean 2023. And we're kick-starting in Funchal. So for the first time, the big walk starts at the airport transfer. So as soon as you arrive in Funchal, we pick you up, we bring you here, and we kickstart the party. Literally, right? One of the reasons why we chose this place is because of this outdoor space, and we're gonna be having a welcome barbecue party kind of thing here to get everybody acquainted and ready and excited for kickstarting the hiking the following day. This year we've got 2 different itineraries and for 2 different dates in 2023. So On Track is for the first option, which is the more budget, more affordable option. It's also a little bit more extreme, so it's perfect for younger, more active hikers. We've brought back camping as well, so we're going to be including 2 nights of camping in between the other accommodations. There'll be all of the camping gear for everybody. That's tents, pillows, comfortable mattresses and sleeping bags, as well as campsite dinners, campsite breakfasts, drinks, luggage control, so you don't have to like haul everything with you everywhere you go, because we will be going from place to place across the island. Remember, it is from east to west over a period of 10 days. There will be sunsets, sunrises, moonrises, stargazing. We'll be seeing waterfalls, hiking through tunnels, swimming in rock pools. We'll also be fine dining in local restaurants to try real, fresh, local food. There's also going to be loads of extra little surprises, paragliding, surf lessons, scuba diving as well. So all of that is optional extras that are going to be worked into the itinerary in different days with different options. So here it is, 10 days. That's the first, one of the first itineraries, one of the second itineraries. And yeah, it's all done, it's all ready, and we're ready to share it with you. So I hope you guys are excited, because we sure are. If you want to find out more about the itineraries, the dates, the prices, all of these kinds of things, then you can check out hittheroadmadeira.com. Of course, also for awesome Jeep tours. And yeah, all the information is ready, so that's all going to be out for you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. We've got a lot of work to do, so today is not a very, very long one, but I hope you've been enjoying it. Like and subscribe, and yeah, Andre?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
No, you gotta do it on the other side.
I'm gonna do it on the other side.
Yeah, you gotta open it on the other side or not really?
I don't know. I don't know what you... I mean, it's like cut out, over. Woo. Details which come in all... geez. Hold on, I gotta think about this. So, I know that most of you are... No, I did the so thing. I don't want to do the so thing again.
Don't do the so thing.
Yeah. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and I don't know, I was gonna say baby. Say, baby, have I got some good news for you? And have I got some interesting... No, that's not what I've got. And no, sorry, I'm just gonna do it again. You're good, right? But this time we're gonna stay blah. So we've brought back the camping. I'm like, yeah, is it the... I was like, sorry. Loads of traditional drinks, a good time. I don't know, what else is it? There we go.
I mean, direct?
Yes.